All right, section 6, writing two-step equations. Moving on from solving two-step equations, even though you're still gonna have to solve. Let's go. All right, so let's look at this one kind of as an example to get us going here. So a phone company advertises that you can call anywhere in the United States for 4 cents a minute with a monthly fee of 99 cents. Wow, this book is old. With their calling card. Yeah, I used calling cards only in high school, and then for my freshman year. And then I got a cell phone. The table shows how your total monthly cost would be. So we're going to let n represent the number of minutes, and we're going to make an expression to represent the cost when your call lasts however n, whatever number n minutes. So if it had 0 monthly minutes, it would be 99 cents. And then times 4 times 0. So if you had no minutes on a phone call. Okay, if you had 5 minutes, we'd put 5 in here for this and times it by 4 and then plus 99 cents. 10 minutes times 4 plus 99 and so on and so forth. So you can see how we go up every time. But we want to write this with a variable. So suppose your monthly cost was $2.99. Man, that's way cheaper than a cell phone is. Just saying. Or, since we're working in cents over here, 299 cents. Write and solve an equation to find the number of minutes you used the calling card. Yes, I know. You probably don't know what a calling card is. That's okay. Just say it was to call that special someone, or your parents if you so desire. Okay, so what I would do is I'd take 4 times n plus 99. As it said here, it'd be 4 cents per minute plus a monthly fee of 99 cents. So that's where the 99 came from. And that's kind of what we're going to be doing today, is taking a phrase and turning it into one of these. Big keys you're going to have to look out for today would be the is. Is usually means an equal sign. Total is another one you'll see there. Just keep on going. Oh, so then it's a two-step equation. You'd follow it out. Minus 99 divided by 4, come out to 50. All right, so why is your equation considered a two-step equation? Because it takes 2 steps, 2 operations. So moving on. So when writing a two-step equation, we did this very early on. It was like the second or third day. So we learned how to use verbal phrases into expressions. So the sum, that's another one. The sum is a plus symbol of 4 times the number, 4n, and 99. So we came 4n plus 99. The equation in a statement of 2 expressions are equal. So therefore, we look for the equal sign. Here's the words. Is equals is equal to. Translate into an equal sign. So 4 times the number, some number, and 99 is 299. Is where you would be looking at. So looking for those keywords. Is, and then the sum, the difference, times, those kind of things are all going to be really key for today. All right, translate this into a sentence. Translate this sentence into an equation. Sorry. Twice a number increased by 5 equals negative 25. So the answer, sorry, they jumped the gun there on us here. So twice a number, I would say would be 2x or 2x or 2n, increases by 5. So increase would be plus 5 equals negative 25. So 2n plus 5 equals negative 25. So I really just kind of went across the line there. All right, so let's try it again. 4 times the number minus 8 equals 28. So 4 times would be 4, and I'm just going to use, let's just use n again since it says a number. 4 times a number, 4n, minus 8 equals 28. All right, let's try this one a little longer. So when 5 is added to the product of a number and 8, the result is 12. So when 5 is added to the product, so I'd say that'd be plus 5, You could go 5 plus. It doesn't really matter. Is added to the product of a number and 8. Then the result is 12. I think that's going to be, yep, plus, oh, they did it the other way. So they did it straight up. 5 is added to, so they went 5 is added to the product of a number and 8, and the result is 12. All right, try these in your notes. Go. All right, 5 times a number, 5n, 5 times a number, decreased by 9 equals -6. 3 times a number increases plus by 7 equals 18. When 7 is subtracted from the product, that's going to be your key here. The product of 2 and a number. So I would say put the 2n first. 2n, because you're subtracting 7, so you take away 7 from that one. The result is 10. 5n minus 9. 9 more than 4 times a number is 41. Find that number. So 9 more than would be 9 plus 4 times a number for n is equals 41. Oh, hey, now they're going to do all the steps for us. Sure. 9 more than 4 times a number is 41. So we're going to let n be the number. So then we write 9 more than 4 times a number is 41. Then we got to find the number. So now we solve it. Subtract 9 from both sides. Divide by 4. And they're actually going to be nice to us. Mentally divide by 4, if you can. And therefore the number is 8. Pause it, give it a shot. All right, so we're going to look at this. Go 6 less than 3 times a number. I'd probably put 3n because you have to take away 6. So 3n minus 6 equals 15. Now I'm going to solve. Plus 6, cancel, goes to 21 equals 3n. Divide both sides by 3. Cancels out, n equals 7. All right, Mrs. Blake earns $48,000 per year. That'd be nice. This is $4,150 more than 3 times as much as her daughter earns. How much does her daughter earn? Okay, so we're going to kind of translate this a little bit. So she earns $41,000 more than 3 times as much as her daughter. So we're going to let D be her daughter's earnings. So, I love it when they do this. Mrs. Blake earns $41,000 more than 3 times as much as her daughter. So we're going to put these into terms here. So Mrs. Blake, however much she makes, earns equals $41,050 more than plus 3D, 3 times as much as her daughter. Then we write that equation out. We're going to solve it. So 2-step equation, subtract $41,050 from both sides. Then we're going to divide by 3. Yes, you'd probably use your calculator for this. That's okay. Simplify that. So there is how much her daughter earns. I'll let you skip this one. All right, in canned food drive, Sam collected 12 more cans than Luis. Together, they collected 128 cans. How many cans did Sam collect? Okay, so together, they collected 128 cans. I'd say that's the total. So we're going to let X be the number of cans. Sam collected 12 more cans than Luis. So then X plus 12 is going to be the number that Sam collected. So we're going to add the two together. So x and x plus 12, x plus 12. So this would be Luis. This would be Luis's number. And this would be Sam's number. So that's why we're adding the two together. Associate property, put those together, 2x. Now we're at a 2. So we simplified as much as we could on the left side. Now we solve. From here, it's a two-step equation. Subtract 12 from both sides. Divide by 2. So that means one person collected 58 because, oh yeah, when you get to here, you're not done. You have to finish. Just because you found this, when it's a word problem, you got to go all the way back to the beginning. How many cams did Sam collect? That's what they're asking for. Is this how many Sam collected? No, because Sam had 12 more. So Luis had 58. Sam collected 58 plus 12, which would be 70 cans. So your answer is actually 70 cans.